In polynomial functions, long division and synthetic division are the two main methods used to divide or factorize polynomials. Let me briefly explain each method. Long division. Long division is a traditional method for dividing polynomials, similar to long division for numbers. It involves using long division to divide polynomials and calculating the quotient and remainder step by step. Let's examine this example. Divide x cubed plus 4x squared plus 9x plus 15 by x plus 2. We substitute the polynomials just like we do division with numbers. Since the highest degree term in the polynomial is x cubed, we need the first quotient to be x squared. We multiply x squared by x, and then by 2 from the next term, resulting in x cubed plus 2x squared, which we write down side by side. We subtract vertically. The result of subtraction is 2x squared, and we bring down the 9x from above and write it down. Now, since the highest degree term is 2x squared, we need the second quotient to be 2x. When we multiply this by x plus 2, we get 2x squared plus 4x, which we write down below. We subtract vertically again. The result of subtraction is 5x, and the remaining constant term 15 is written down as is. Now, the last quotient is 5. When we multiply this by x plus 2, we get 5x plus 10. We subtract vertically. Finally, the remaining number is 5, and this is the remainder. Alright, let's now discuss the synthetic division. Since the divisor is x plus 2, we transform it into the form x minus k, where k equals -2. Therefore, we write -2 on the far left in the synthetic division. Since the coefficient of the highest degree term in the polynomial is 1, we write it down first. The coefficient of the next degree term is 4, followed by 9. And lastly the constant term 15. The first number is written down as is. We then multiply this number by the k value, which is -2 in this case. We write the result of this multiplication below the second number. We add these two numbers, and write the result below the line. We multiply the result of this addition, 2, by the k value, and write it below the third number. We add these two numbers, and write the result below the line. We multiply the result of this addition, 5, by the k value, and write it below the last number. We add these two numbers, and write the result below the line. The calculated result is as follows. Here, the first three numbers correspond to the coefficients and the constant term of x squared plus 2x plus 5, which is the quotient we calculated earlier using the long division. The last number, 5, is exactly the remainder we calculated in the long division. The results are the same. The choice of method depends on the specific context. Generally, synthetic division is a faster and more convenient method. However, it is only possible when the divisor is in the form of a linear polynomial, x minus k. See you soon.